Today, I want to tell you about dolphins. Intelligent, affectionate, and truly admirable. Have you ever thought that beneath the water, there are creatures that are not only intelligent, but also very emotional, strangely similar to humans? Dolphins are one of them. Dolphins have one of the most developed brains among animals. Their brains are large, complex in structure, and notably, they have self-awareness, a very rare ability in the animal kingdom. They can remember, analyze, and learn. In terms of quick thinking, they are probably not much behind humans. Dolphins can use tools and know how to teach the next generation. Some dolphins use pieces of sponge to cover their snouts to avoid injury when diving for food. What is noteworthy is that they not only do this for themselves, but also teach their offspring. In other words, they know how to learn, teach, and pass on experience, similar to how humans do. They understand human language at a basic level. When trained, dolphins can understand basic grammar, distinguishing between the sentence, "push the ball to the ring," and "push the ring to the ball." It's not just a reflex. They truly understand the content of the command. Dolphins are very affectionate and know how to help not only their own kind, but also animals of other species. Many true stories have been recorded. Dolphins rescuing people from drowning, chasing away sharks, and even guiding other species to safety. A famous case is the dolphin Moko, who saved two stranded humpback whales, without anyone asking, simply because they needed help. Each dolphin has a personal name. Dolphins do not call each other with generic whistles. They create distinct sounds, like names, and remember those sounds to correctly call individual members of the pod. In other words, they can distinguish who is who and actively communicate. Dolphins do not speak like us, but the way they live is enough to write a long story. A story about connection, understanding, and kindness, even across species. Perhaps, sometimes the human world also needs to relearn a bit from that gentleness. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it interesting and learned something new about the world around us. I will be back soon with another story. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss the next interesting stories.